In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your day in Asana. We'll walk through a clear, simple workflow using a project list so you can organize tasks, stay focused, and actually finish what matters. Start by logging into your Asana account on your desktop. The desktop view gives you a full workspace and makes it easier to manage multiple tasks at once. Once you are in, open the project where you want to plan your day. This could be a personal planning project or any team project where your daily work lives. Keeping everything inside one project makes it easy to see priorities at a glance. Next, add your tasks. Click Add Task at the top or bottom of the task list. Type a concise, action-oriented task name and press Enter. Use clear verbs like draft report or email client so you know exactly what to do when you see it later. Then click the task to open its details and set a due date by selecting it from the calendar. If you're planning for today, pick today's date so it surfaces clearly in your list and in your My Tasks view. Assign the task to yourself if it isn't automatically assigned. This ensures it shows up in your personal workload and keeps accountability clear. Repeat this process to add all the tasks you want to complete today. It's quick to go down your list of priorities and enter them one by one. Once your tasks are in, organize by priority or section. Use sections like Today, Upcoming, and Later to group tasks, so your most important work is at the top. Drag and drop tasks to arrange them in the exact order you want to complete them. A realistic sequence helps you stay in flow and avoid switching costs. Open each task and add any subtasks, notes, or custom fields you need to plan your workflow. Subtasks are great for breaking a larger task into smaller, doable actions. Notes can capture links, meeting context, or checklists. Custom fields like priority or effort help you see what's urgent and what might take longer, so you can plan your energy accordingly. As you work, mark tasks as complete to track your progress. Checking off items gives you instant feedback and keeps your list clean and current. If something shifts, just adjust the due date or move the task to a different section, so your plan always reflects reality. That's it, your day in Asana, clearly mapped and ready to execute. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.